Hi, my name is Nirali and welcome to our channel Food Diaries by Janie. Our today's recipe is the next one in our monsoon special soup week and it is almond basil soup. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. It inspires us to create more content. Also, do check out our other delicious recipes. The ingredients for the soup are blanched almonds, blanched basil leaves, olive oil, cinnamon, cloves, some fresh basil leaves, minced ginger and green chillies, and salt to taste. We'll first prepare the almond basil paste with some water using a blender. The blanched almonds were prepared by soaking almonds in hot water for about 20 to 25 minutes and then removing their skins. We'll add oil to a heated pan followed by cloves and cinnamon. Cinnamon gives a sweet note to the soup. We'll add minced green chilies and ginger and briefly saute it. Then the freshly prepared almond basil paste. Some water to avoid burning. Some fresh basil leaves and salt. I like the texture of fresh basil leaves in the soup. We'll add total of 4 cups of water to make a thin consistency soup, which is good and light before starting dinner. We'll let this cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. This recipe makes about 4 servings. This is a very easy to make, quick and most importantly a healthy one. Our soup is ready! You can garnish this with some black pepper powder and serve it hot with some chips or fritters. Thank you for watching our video and we hope you liked it. And remember to cook healthy, eat healthy and stay happy. Stay tuned for more.